Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Have you ever noticed that you aren't getting WhatsApp notifications or alerts from other apps on your Apple Watch? Today I'm going to give you a few quick tips to fix this problem in the vast majority of cases. These are very simple steps that won't take you more than 2 minutes. First, keep in mind that if your iPhone screen is currently unlocked, your messages will not go through to your Apple Watch. They will only pop up on your phone. For notifications to ring on your watch, your iPhone must be locked. Second, make sure focus mode is turned off. When this mode is on, it prevents both your iPhone and Apple Watch from receiving notifications. To do this, go to Control Center and turn it off if it's enabled. Third, take your iPhone and open the official Apple Watch app. Go to the Notifications section, scroll to the bottom, and make sure the apps that are causing you problems receiving notifications are enabled. Fourth, if you have a passcode enabled, notifications may not appear on the screen while your Apple Watch is locked. Fifth, if you have tattoos on your wrist, or if the back of your Apple Watch is dirty, the device might assume you aren't wearing it, which automatically blocks notifications. To fix this, go to Settings. Tap on Passcode. Scroll down to Wrist Detection and turn it off. With these quick tricks, your Apple Watch should start receiving all your messages and alerts right away. If this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.